Welcome back to 5-Minute Canvas, where we take a look at tips, tricks, and techniques for building a Canvas course. In this episode, we're going to take a look at the file system that Canvas provides so you can understand a little bit more about how to upload and use files within your course. Now, Canvas's file storage is actually a pretty robust system, but let's take a look at what options are available. I'm actually on the Files page under my course navigation here, and we see a couple of different spots. On the left here, we see actually what looks like an almost completely blank list with just a single entry here for my course. As we add folders into this kind of becomes a way to navigate through the folders. Now, each individual folder I can add files to, and that's what I'm going to see over here on the right. This is where I can upload the files and also where I'm going to see the contents of any particular folder. Along the top, you see I can search for files, and then I can also create folders and upload files. Along the bottom is another useful thing to pay attention to, especially as you're adding media to a course. You see that I've got a 1 gigabyte storage limit. So if I add too many videos and pictures and I cross that line, I won't be able to add anything else. Now, each individual course is treated separately, so I don't have 1 gigabyte across all of my courses. I have 1 gigabyte for this course, and that's important to keep in mind. Now, I talk about the course files, but you can also have site-wide files accessed through your account settings up here. Course files are only usable within the course. Site files can be used on all of your courses. Okay, so let's go ahead and add some folders here. I'm going to create a media folder for my pictures and videos. I'm going to create a student resources folder. This might contain, for example, worksheets that I would give students. And then teacher resources might be where I keep answer keys and lesson plans. So I have my 3 folders, and you notice as I added them, they showed up here on my folder organization list. So I'm going to go ahead and go to media here. I want to upload a picture just to show you how to upload a file, but also a picture I intend to use in my course. So I have a folder open on my computer with some pictures I'm going to be using for this class. And I'm going to go ahead and take this one here. I want to use this picture of the Milky Way. And I'm going to drag this up here, and I'm going to just drop it over here. Now you see what I did is I actually took the file and I dragged it and held over the browser icon, and then I came back up here and I let go of it to drop it. And as soon as I did, it instantly started uploading here, and it's a small file, so it really took up very little space on my storage, and it uploaded rather quickly, but I do now have that file available. If I click on the dots over here, you can see I can download and rename, move, delete, and I can even share this picture if I wanted to. If I click on the picture itself, the title, I'm going to get a preview of the image. If I click over here on the right, so I'm not getting a preview, you see I actually have several other options up here. For example, I can view it, which is the preview option. I can manage who can and cannot see the file. I can download. Move allows me to adjust which folder it's located in, and then I can also delete. So that's the basics of adding files within the file system. But you can add files from any page or assignment or quiz. Anytime where you can create something, you have the ability to add files. So I'm going to go to the course introduction here. And I'm going to hit edit. And let's say instead of uploading that file, I wanted to upload it from here. Okay, so I've got my dynamic menu over here on the right. And if I go to files, you'll see here's my folders that I've set up. But I also have this upload new file. And if I click on that, it gives me the ability to pick a file from my computer and even pick which folder that I want to put it on or in. As soon as I do that, it's going to put it where I want in this particular page. The file system here is really robust. It can handle images, it can handle videos, it can handle sounds. It can even handle Microsoft Office files as well. And so this is almost like an online cloud storage or flash drive available just for this course. Thank you for watching 5-Minute Canvas. Feel free to hit that subscribe button to keep up with all content here at Myth Badger Videos.